Okay, so we have minimum and maximum number. So first create attribute. Now see. So after creating custom attribute over here, now see I have reverse foot control custom attributes. Okay, even you can edit this custom attribute foot controller, add it, and even you can edit custom attributes. See, okay, minimum and maximum after creating custom controller. Okay, now. So guys, now I have IK handle, okay, I have foot controller, and I have reverse joint. Okay, the next thing is that we need to create a link in between IK handle to the reverse joint. Okay, now, so this is your ankle to foot IK handle, right, you can say foot IK HDL IK handle. This one is left toe IK handle. Okay, so this one is left toe IK handle, foot IK handle, and now I have reverse joint over here. Okay, now, so first of all we need to create a link in between IK handle to the reverse joint. Okay, so right now let me gonna select ankle IK handle over here. Okay, so left, you can see ankle. Okay, so let me gonna select first ankle IK handle, and right now I'm going to select reverse ankle joint. Okay, now press P. Now, and for the foot, same. First of all we need to select foot IK handle. Okay, then select reverse foot joint and press P. Okay, and same thing I'm going to use over here. First I need to select toe IK handle and next reverse toe joint. Okay, and press P. So now if I control heel joint, so now I can easily control the entire chain. Now see. Okay, so while making connection in between IK handle to the reverse joint. Okay, now first controller, foot controller, then custom attributes, go to edit and make sure we need to select set driven key. Okay, and this is your reverse joint, first, second, third, load under driver, and foot controller load under driven. Okay, done. So I'm gonna select all reverse joint over here. See, Z key is highlighted, it means we have a link. Okay, so I'm gonna break this link over here, right click to the channel and break connection. Fine. So now I don't have connection, I think so. Yeah, it's already breaked. Okay, now अब क्या करोगे? You can do simply first you need to control heel while using positive value. So I'm gonna select again foot controller, custom attributes, reverse heel and specific axis. ठीक है, chain कैसे create होगी? First select controller, custom attributes, reverse heel joint and specific axis. Okay, first create default link while using 0 value over here. Okay, 0 and key. Okay, then again select controller, custom controller, value, not negative, positive, then joint, specific axis, you can control now. So maximum 40 and set key. Now okay, so now I can easily control heel while using custom controller over here simply. Next thing is that I'm controlling toe joint while using negative value. So foot controller, custom controller, right now I'm going to use negative 20, so toe specific axis, and I'm gonna put C 50. Okay, and set key. So now I have heel and toe rotation with the helps of custom attributes. Okay, so go back. So while using 0, now set key. Okay, so now I can easily control heel again and toe. फाइन, यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया? ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आई नीड टू कंट्रोल फुट रोटेशन. ओके, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट रिवर्स फुट. ओके, नाउ so for the reverse foot again I'm selecting controller over here, custom attributes. So let me gonna give -10 and let me gonna select reverse foot joint over here and specific axis maybe 40. No worries. Okay, no issue. And create link. Now again 0 foot, toe and set key. Okay, so now I have heel, toe and foot. Okay, but let me gonna improve. So -10, I need to deactivate toe rotation. Set key. Okay, so by mistake guys I have parent both IK handle to the reverse foot. Okay, instead of reverse toe. Okay, so let me gonna improve this. This one is for only reverse toe. Now this. Okay, so let me gonna select foot controller and now it's working like this. Fine. Okay, so again I have one issue over here. So -20, if I'm going to use -20 over here, -20, so -20 पे only toe activate होगा. Okay, instead of कि आपका foot joint भी activate हो. So simply okay, again I need to load custom controller. Edit, set driven key. So controller driver, reverse joint, heel, toe, foot driven. Okay, so this time I'm going to control toe joint -20. It means toe foot will deactivate. -20, yes. Okay, so now I have heel rotation. Okay, now I have foot rotation, and after foot I have toe rotation. Okay, back to foot, heel. Okay, fine. heel, foot and toe, ये चीज़ है. ठीक है. So guys, this is pretty simple techniques.